Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make delicious custard shots. Yay. Now this custard shot is very simple. All the ingredients that you require for this custard shots are only this much. Yes, these are the only 6 ingredients that you require for making this super yummy delicious custard shots. So all you require for this recipe are some slice cakes. Now you can use any slice cakes, chocolate or fruit cake, anything. I have used normal milk slice cakes. Then you require some Marie biscuits, some dry fruits, some sugar. I have taken about 5 tablespoons of sugar. Now here I have taken custard powder mixed with some milk powder and of course some milk. It will be better if you use fat milk, full fat milk. Now all you need to do first is you need to boil your milk. Use a heavy bottom pan for boiling the milk. Then mix this custard and milk powder mixture with some milk. Make sure that you mix this mixture well, keeping in mind that no lumps are there. Now mixing this milk powder with the custard powder can be a little tedious because the milk powder was not easy to mix well. Just use a little warm milk in it so the milk powder will nicely mix with the milk. Now after we have mixed the custard and the milk powder with the milk, we are going to add it with our boiling milk. Now our milk has come to a boil. I have lowered the gas flame, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep stirring it for a little while, just for a few minutes. I think I have stirred it for around 5 minutes. After stirring it for 5 minutes, we are slowly going to add the custard powder and keep it stirring because the custard can form lumps when it mixed in the milk. So keep stirring and keep stirring. Mixing the custard in the milk and bring it to a boil. Bring it to a good boil, and now we will add the sugar. Now the amount of sugar will depend on your taste, how much sweet you want your custard to be. If you want it more sweet, you add more sugar. If less sweet, then you of course add less sugar. And then thoroughly mix the mixture again so that the sugar completely dissolves with this custard, with the custard mixture. Now our custard mixture is ready, and now we are going to add the dry fruits in it. This was all that I had left in my house. If you want it a little more yummy and crunchy, you add more dry fruits onto the mixture. Now our custard is ready, and we are going to cool it down completely. And meanwhile, we are going to prep up the shots. Now all you require to prep up the shots are some the cake that I have crushed it, and the Marie biscuits, which again I have crushed it. So on the left side is the cake crumbs and on the right side is the biscuit crumbs. So I am going to pour this over to the shots. Now I have used very small glasses because of course this is a custard shot, so we are going to have small glasses. So fill it up with just make a thin layer on the bottom of the glasses with this cake crumbs. Now I have used normal milk slice cakes. You can use any slice cakes of your liking. Now here this is the cake mixture which is settled in the bottom. After it, I'm going to add the Marie biscuit crumbs. Now I have used Marie biscuit. If you want to use Oreo biscuits or you want to use Parle-G biscuits, up to you. You can use any biscuits, and trust me, it's going to taste simply better, simply delicious, even with any kind of biscuit. So, but I have just used normal Marie biscuits, and I'm going to layer it down. Now after you layer the biscuits, please make sure that you press it to set it into the layer. Now after you have made the layer, just refrigerate it for 2 hours at least. Now our custard has completely cooled down. We are going to put this also into the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours so that it becomes nicely chilled to enjoy it. Now the custard has chilled down. Oh my god, it looks so yummy and thick and delicious. Now I'm going to pour this custard over to this shot glasses, and here we go. So here's our custard shots are ready. Now it looks so yummy already. I just wanted to devour it right now, but yeah, I had to wait. Now I'm going to top it up with some Marie biscuit crumbs that was left. Now you can top it up with anything you want. If you want to add fruits, that's also will taste very good. So I just had this leftover Marie biscuits which I'm going to top it up right now, and here it is. So my custard shots are ready. So yeah, it looks so yummy. And trust me guys, this custard shots was really tasty. Please try it at home. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.